Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do another episode of Sign Carvers of the Day, or SCOTD for short. So if you guys don't know, once every 3-4 weeks, we feature your guys' projects. Hey, you guys email me pictures of what you're doing and I share them with everybody else. This is a big motivator for me, and I know many of our people have said that it really kind of gets their thoughts flowing, different things that they can do. So this particular one is May 31st through July 6th. So if you guys did send me pictures, this is where they will be, and we'll put that right in the title so it's easy for you to go back and find out which episode your picture actually showed up on. All right, let's get rolling. First, we have Parley Kennelly, and this one is a 12x12 maple butcher block donated to a local charity, Paddling for Pennies. And this is Kennelly actually holding up the sign. We've actually did a Zoom with he and his family several years ago. Super good guy. Super good sign. I love it, Parley. Terrific job, buddy. Next, we have Aid Mans over in the UK. He's been on our channel many times, and he'll be on many more. He's doing a lot of great signs, and in case you guys don't know, he has use of only one side of his body, so he's doing all of this with one hand. He just is an inspiration to a lot of people, including myself. So great job, Aid. Next, we have Alan Smith. This is a very popular sign. If you guys are in an area that you see a lot of these, this is something you really should think about. This is a welcome sign, vertical. Did a great job on this. Nice rustic edge. Did some burning on it. Great job, Alan. I know a lot of people sell these signs, so it's something you guys should think about. Next, we have Julie Fifield. This is her first sign using our techniques and using a router. She's been doing signs for a while using a Dremel, but now she's integrated router work in there, and she just does amazing stuff, as this sign represents. Obviously, she's got a knack for detail, and looks to me like she has an artistic ability that I wasn't born with. So great job, Julie. I love it. Next, Jeremy Hawthorne, our buddy back east. So this is a mixing up of different stencils. He put all these signs on one picture. This is Orion's Place stencil, the This Is Us stencil, and the one on the left is actually walnut, and the other two are maple. So great job, buddy. Keep up the great work, Jeremy. This one was inspired by my son, the Hang 'em High coat rack or hat rack. It looks like it's made out of oak with a live edge at the top. Great job. Richard Boyd is the gentleman that made this one. If you want to see Ryan's version, go watch video 774. Next, we have Mike McDavid. This is a Roll Tide. It's an interesting take on the Roll Tide logo. Anyway, Mike McDavid, great job, buddy. I love it. It's very humorous for sure. Next, we have Kyle Bose, and this is, he's a brand new sign carver. I think this is one of his first signs. So you did a great job on this, Kyle. Inset letters, outset letters. You're holding a pretty good line with that router, buddy. Keep up the great work. Hope you're having fun. Next, we have Robin. Robin is from the Isle of Wight in the UK. Did this all with a Dremel, 23 inches by 26 inches. Great artwork, really nice color. Great job, Robin. Keep up the great work. Next, we have Doug Massengill, and this is a piece of cedar, and this for a Vietnam vet flag stencil. Used our profile bit, our carving liner, and our 60-degree bit, and again used our flag stencil. Terrific job, Doug. I absolutely love it. I'm sure the veteran that got this loves it. Next, we have Roy Smith. Roy Smith has been with us for a long time. This is a 3-foot by 4-foot hard maple epoxy inlay on the flags. Terrific job. I love it. I love the frame. I love everything about this. I love the maple look and the frame that you put around there, the different font that you use. Great job, Roy. Next, we have Tom Shaw, and Tom actually took our class at the Woodcraft show up in Las Vegas a couple months ago, and he was also with us in Austin, Texas, that we just got back from. He flew down there for the show. Tom, you're making great signs, buddy. Looks really, really good. Keep it up. See you at the next show. Next, we have Jerry Fort. This one is redwood, or excuse me, it's cedar, but he did some really cool artwork on here. He's got a bass on one side and the Cowboys logo on the other. A lady bought this for her husband for Father's Day from Jerry. Great job, Jerry. Love it. I'm sure she did too. Next we have Mike Rowell. And Mike is just, he's growing by leaps and bounds. He's been following us for a while now. I really love his creativity, his artistic ability. Obviously, this is not only routed, but it's power carved. It looks absolutely exquisite. I absolutely love this, Mike. Keep up the great work, buddy. Oh man, that's so cool. I love that one. Next, we have a 24-inch round. This is Leon Martin. He put this together for a veterans group, and I'm sure they absolutely love it. I love the integration of the flag and the paddle on here and inset letters. The artwork is great, and the colors are terrific. Love it. Great job, Leon. This one's kind of different. This is a coat rack, and this is by Otis McNeely. He used a profile bit and the spiral upcut bit on a piece of cherry, and this is the aromatic language. It says, "In the name of God." I love it, dude. A really, really nice piece. Your lines look terrific. Great job, Otis. Next, we have Jeff Peterson. This is one of his very first signs. Used our kneeling soldier. I did some burn work on here. Looks like it's a piece of pine. I can't tell for sure, but that's what it looks like. Great job, Jeff, especially for just starting out. Terrific work. Next, we have Don Slifer. And this one is for Don's house. He used pine, he used one-shot spar urethane, and looks like he used some of our layout letters. Terrific job, buddy. I love it. Great job, Don. Keep up the great work, buddy. Next, we have Scott Godshall. Yeah, Godshall. Hope I said that right, Scott. Scott and Amber have been following for a while. I love this one. This one has got a very unique shape. Big bold letters. Made this for one of his customers. I think it's terrific. I love when I see unique shaped signs. He used some of our stencils. It's very unique, got a rustic look to it. Terrific job, Scott. Love it, buddy. Last but not least, we have another one from Aid. By the way, if you didn't know, you need to wait a month in between pictures that you sent me. So because this covers more than a month, Aid sent in another one, and this one is absolutely spectacular. Aid, this is the best thing I've seen you do. I love the colors, the artwork, and the fact that you do this with one hand still astounds me. Absolutely incredible. I'm glad I ended up with this one. Great job, Aid. So there you go, folks. That is Sign Carvers of the Day. That is for, again, May 31st through July 6th. If you guys have pictures of projects that you have done, please send them to me. I love to show them off for you. This is one of our most popular series of videos. People seem to love this thing. I know I do. I get inspired every time I do this. Keep up the great work. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and that's where you send your pictures to as well. Thanks, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.